Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women poncho designs, different color designs, ideas you can see in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing combination you can see mostly in front of you. Same colors also you can see different colors like black, blue, red, yellow, green, purple, orange, parrot. Others also you can see. So dear friends, please try this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about crochet women poncho designs. So dear friends, this is very beautiful, amazing and most stylish collection. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the designs? You can wear these very stylish and attractive collection with match your dresses and other things like shoes, jewelry, purse also. So you can wear this very stylish collection in office work and also wear in parties, club wears also. So dear friends, most attractive, most wearing collection. I hope you like this collection, most attractive collection. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.